Welcome back to Living Local. Mental well-being has become one of the biggest health challenges our communities face. Those who are struggling with mild or moderate symptoms are also struggling to get an appointment, but there's help. Vera French Community Mental Health Center is growing and providing more options for early intervention. And joining us today is Dr. Rich Whitaker, CEO of Vera French Community Mental Health Center, which is also this segment's sponsor. Dr. Rich, so nice to see you again.
You too, Brandy. Thank you.
All right, so everyone's talking about this new Vera French clinic at Duck Creek. You had a big turnout for the ribbon cutting and for the open house. So how are services going so far?
You know, things are increasing every day. We're seeing more people. We actually have people that are figuring out where we're located.
Yeah.
And more people coming to our Duck Creek location than ever came to our Terrace Ridge location.
Really?
Yeah. So
that's awesome.
It's actually been very steady and growing steadily. We've got 3 nurse practitioners now at Duck Creek. We only had Chris McCormick Priest part-time up at Terrace Ridge. So that's part of it. We've got more services available.
That is awesome. That's so great to hear. So talk to us about some of the other services that are offered at Vera French.
You know, Vera French has a whole array of services that really help people no matter what they're dealing with in terms of mental health and substance use disorders, actually. We'll talk about that in a minute.
Yeah.
But you know, we've got the Integrated Health Home Program, which is really kind of like an Ask a Nurse service, where people who are working with mental health concerns and maybe have also a chronic health condition, they've got somebody who can help them get to their appointments, make sure they're staying on track with their medications, and even help with transportation and other things. We've got services that help people get into good housing and keep their good housing. We have services that help people get a good job and then keep that job. You know, we're all about trying to help people really recover their lives, not just get counseling and medication. We do the whole list of things that people might need to get their lives back from mental illness.
And stay on track. Yeah. So how available are these services? You know, I mentioned earlier, a lot of people are still having problems, you know, getting appointments, but that's not the case at Vera French, right?
It isn't, thank goodness. We've had same-day access forever, and we are expanding that at Duck Creek as well. But the great thing is with hiring some new nurse practitioners, we now can get people in for those medication management services right away. I'm not saying same day necessarily, but pretty close. This is a window like we've never had before, where you can really get in and get your services met, or needs met there. So we ask everybody to, if you've got somebody that you know that's been waiting to get in somewhere, know that they can get in right away at Vera French with one of our nurse practitioners for psychiatric medications. Yeah,
and so they don't really have to wait long, especially if they are in need of those medications. Because, you know, like I said, some of these, I've heard people waiting, you know, in other states, but because it's a nationwide problem, but in other states, waiting 6 months, if not longer, to get in. I mean, it's just a huge problem in our
honestly,
country.
That's the way it was at Vera French, too, until we hired our new nurse practitioners that are helping us to really meet the demand that the community has.
Yeah, that's awesome. So besides mental health, a lot of people are struggling with substance abuse. So what's the latest on your treatment program there?
You know, we recognize that we just don't have enough providers in the community to help people with their substance use concerns. And now we are building that program out at Vera French. We just submitted all of our documentation for licensure for our substance use program. We've hired a doctor of nursing practice. She's a nurse practitioner with a specialty in substance use disorders and medication-assisted treatment that helps people get off of opioids and other kinds of harmful substances. And we also just hired a program coordinator for our new substance use disorder program at Vera French. And that'll all be taking place at our Central Park Clinic.
That's awesome.
Which is where we've always been, right? But we made space by moving some things over to Duck Creek for this new program.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So the last time you joined us, you spoke about hiring for positions that were made available because of the additional space at Duck Creek. So do you still have some positions open?
We do. We are always looking for therapists, mental health therapists, both social work, counselors. We can always use more therapists. So spread the word. We are definitely hiring, and especially for folks that maybe have some experience with both mental health and substance use disorder treatment.
Yeah, that's the key, definitely. Okay, so where can viewers find more information about the services available at the Vera French Duck Creek location, this new location, and also working for Vera French?
Everything's on our website.
Okay.
And you can go to www.verafrenchmhc.org or vfclinic.org. That's another website that gets right to our main website.
Okay.
vfclinic.org.
That's awesome. All right. Well, hopefully you'll get some more of those positions filled, because it does sound like there's still a need out there in our community for sure.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, Dr. Rich, thank you again for coming in and taking the time to talk to us today.
You're welcome. It's great being here.
All right. Again, this segment was sponsored by Vera French Community Mental Health Center. And for more information, go to verafrenchmhc.org/careers. And we'll also have all those details posted on ourquadcities.com.